Welcome to my reflective video on the design and evaluation of instruction. Design is like working on a jigsaw puzzle. You bring home the box with the puzzle, there's a beautiful picture on the front, and you open it up and none of the pieces are interlocking. These pieces represent a variety of things like needs assessments, content, and also evaluation. In order to bring these pieces together, you need to do a lot of research, you need to do a lot of evaluating and planning in order to bring the pieces together just for the first course. After you get feedback from the first course participants, you have to modify the course again to better meet the needs of the students. I'm very familiar with this process. I do this all the time as a technical writer. For my EdTech example, I'm bringing in my EdTech 503 where I did a mini genealogy course. This is my learning task representation. This is the objectives of the course. These are the goals, again, pieces of the puzzle. And for each one of these colors, here is all how the puzzle pieces fit. This will allow the facilitator to be able to see what they need to do for the class, but in addition, if the class needs to be modified in some way, they will be able to do so easily, starting with the objective statement and then modifying this chart. My second example of practice is my ARCS table for this particular class. This table allows the facilitator to understand what will motivate the students, get their attention, and help them understand the relevance of this material to their learning. Finally, for the evaluation, this is an example of the student evaluation for this mini genealogy course. It's a combination of open-ended and closed-ended questions that the facilitator and the instructional designer can use together to be able to make improvements to the course as needed. There's also an additional evaluation survey for the facilitator and for the subject matter experts. Thank you for watching this reflective video on design and evaluation, and I look forward to seeing you for my next reflective video on networking and collaboration.